Work smarter in your cleaning business instead of harder. This starts with not people pleasing. What does that mean? Well, a lot of times when we go into our clients, we want to do everything. I see so many people that have like sample cleaning checklists, and it's like window sills, all of these things that are like really are extra, jobs. Like it's not something that should be included in a regular cleaning checklist. So we feel like we want to do everything. We have to get these clients, so we have to, say we're going to do all this. But what ends up happening is we end up resenting that because we don't ever charge enough when you're adding windows and things like that to regular cleaning. What happens is that resentment, because now we are promising our clients so much. And when we get into the house and we realize, oh my God, there's really so much more to this house than I thought. And now all of a sudden you have to do all this other bigger stuff and extra work. It creates resentment, and you're not charging enough and you're working harder, and you're like, why did I even start this cleaning business? So when we are trying to do everything for our cleaning clients, it's actually not helping us at all. It's making us work harder, not smarter.